To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. A conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, and clauses together. So a conjunction is a linking word. By linking different parts of sentences, conjunctions allow us to formulate longer and complex sentences. Some examples of conjunctions are and, but, so, or, for, although, because, as, etc. An example of a conjunction linking words is I like to eat fish and chips. The conjunction in this sentence is and. It links the words fish and chips. An example of a conjunction linking phrases is we will either go to the park or to the cinema. The conjunction in this sentence is or. It links the phrases to the park and to the cinema. An example of a conjunction linking clauses is I knocked on Tina's door, but she wasn't home. The conjunction in this sentence is but. It links the clauses I knocked on Tina's door and she wasn't home. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Each type of conjunction is used differently. A subordinating conjunction joins a dependent and an independent clause. Some examples of subordinating conjunctions are because, while, although, since, whereas, as, and many more. For example, Sarah drank some water because she was thirsty. In this example, the independent clause comes first. Sarah drank some water, followed by the subordinating conjunction because, and then the dependent clause, she was thirsty. Remember that a dependent clause depends on the independent clause to make sense, whereas an independent clause makes sense on its own. So when the independent clause comes first, followed by the dependent clause, then we must place the subordinating conjunction between them with no comma. Because she was thirsty, Sarah drank some water. In this example, the subordinating conjunction is followed by the dependent clause, comma, and then the independent clause. So when the dependent clause comes first, the subordinating conjunction is placed at the beginning of the sentence, and a comma separates the dependent clause from the independent clause.